Dive into the world of fitness with the Schwinn ad6 airdyne exercise bike, a machine that promises to elevate your workout experience. Let's pedal through the features that make this bike a must-have for fitness enthusiasts. The Schwinn ad6 airdyne stands out with its moving handlebars, offering a full-body workout that challenges both your upper and lower body. The air resistance scales with your effort. The harder you pedal, the more resistance you face. It's equipped with a high-torque belt drive for a smooth ride and a fan that keeps you cool while you push your limits. Schwinn's airdyne series is synonymous with quality fan bikes. The ad6 airdyne's fan-resistant system provides unlimited potential resistance, making it perfect for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or a more relaxed ride, depending on your pace. The ad6 boasts ergonomic advancements, including extended foot supports and a larger padded seat for comfort during intense sessions. The fan-resistant system ensures a quiet workout, allowing you to focus on your fitness goals without distraction. Schwinn has streamlined the assembly process for the ad6 airdyne, with clear instructions and a detailed parts list. Most users can transition from unboxing to their first workout in under an hour, thanks to the pre-assembled base unit and fan. Without preset programs, the ad6 airdyne leaves the workout design in your hands. Whether you're performing airdyne intervals, Tabata, or descending sprint intervals, the fan resistance adapts to your effort, offering a dynamic and challenging exercise session. The console may seem basic, but it effectively displays all the essential workout metrics, including speed, time, RPM, distance, watts, and calories burned. For heart rate monitoring, the console is compatible with polar heart rate belts, adding another layer to your workout analysis. The ad6's robust steel frame supports up to 300 pounds and incorporates transport wheels for easy mobility. Its compact design fits well in most spaces, and the anti-corrosion paint ensures longevity. Comfort meets versatility with the ad6's adjustable seat and handlebars, accommodating users of various sizes. The design ensures that you can maintain proper form throughout your workout, maximizing the benefits and minimizing the risk of injury. In conclusion, the Schwinn ad6 airdyne exercise bike is not just a piece of equipment, it's a gateway to a healthier, fitter you. With its blend of comfort, durability, and performance, it's ready to take your home workouts to the next level.